Even a newbie can handle this with ease. Here comes the tutorial for the cloud drawstring bag. Start with a magic ring. Make 3 chain stitches. In this round, work 15 double crochets into the ring. Pull tight. Join with a slip stitch. Make 3 chain stitches. In this round, work a double crochet 2 and 1 in each stitch around. Join with a slip stitch. Make 3 chain stitches. Next round, work 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around. This completes the bottom of the bag. Now start the body of the bag. Make 3 chain stitches, insert the hook into the stitch, and work 4 unclosed half double crochets into the first stitch. Yarn over and draw through all loops on the hook. Chain 1. This is 1 puff stitch. Then chain 1 again. In the same stitch, work another puff stitch. Two puff stitches form one group of wheat stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, then work 1 wheat group in the third stitch. One group of wheat stitch, skip the next 2 stitches. Continue this pattern around until the end of the round, then join with a slip stitch to the first puff stitch. Make 3 chain stitches. The following wheat stitches will all be worked in the middle between 2 groups of wheat stitches. Each round follows the same pattern. Simply work until you reach your desired height. I crocheted 7 rounds of patterns for this bag. Next row, work double crochets. Start with 3 chain stitches. Work 3 double crochets in the space between 2 puff stitches. In the space between 2 groups of wheat stitches, work 1 double crochet. Back to the space between 2 puff stitches, work 3 double crochets again. Repeat this pattern around. Next round, we'll do the edging. Start with 3 chain stitches. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Work 4 more double crochets in the same stitch. So this means you'll have 5 double crochets total in this stitch, forming 1 petal. Then skip 2 stitches, and work 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Skip another 2 stitches, then work 5 double crochets in the third stitch. Continue this pattern around. The next part is a drawstring, which is all chain stitches. The length of the drawstring should be about 3 times the width of the back. Make 2 drawstrings. After finishing, leave a yarn tail and cut the yarn. Thread the drawstring through the round of double crochets like this. Pull it out at the final position. Tie the yarn tail into a knot. Thread the other strap through from the opposite position. Follow the same path. Pull it out here and tie a knot at the end. Now let's crochet the small flowers. For the first round, start with 10 single crochets in a magic ring. Make 3 chain stitches. Place the stitch marker on the first chain. Then work 2 unclosed double crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, still make 2 unclosed double crochets. Yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on hook at once, then chain 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch. This completes 1 petal, and there are 5 petals in total. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to the first chain. Then chain 1. Break the yarn. Weave in the ends on the back of the small flower. Make 4 of these petals and place the end of the drawstring in between 2 petals. Glue them together. The soft little cloud drawstring bag is done.